Hello beautiful people, how you are doing today? I trust you all are doing great. Happy New Year, guys. This is my first official video for the year 2025. I trust you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to be making a whitening pink lip balm, like a strong pink lip balm that won't change color, it won't separate. So just learn from this, and this can actually make you thousands, hundreds of nairas. It's a promise. So the first thing you're going to be needing is your strong whitening base cream mixed with carotene BSC, and then next thing I added was my alpha butane concentrates. It has alpha butane, the carrot, and the papaya. And then next is my carotene oil, followed by my whitening oil, followed by my glycerin, followed by my kojic acid oil or serum rather, followed by my preservative, followed by my jojoba oil. Okay, so and then whitening oil, like I said earlier. So the whitening oil, I formulated that myself. You can use that to activate your whitening base cream, your whitening lotion, your face cream, and all. Is very effective. And then next is Vaseline. You can add any emollient of your choice, like shea butter, cocoa butter. Okay, but I'll prefer you adding Vaseline. Trust me, this pink lip balm will never change color. It's been like about 4 or 5 months since I formulated this, and it's been in my gallery. So today I decided to just I did the video and post, so it's really short. Like, this is the one I made about 6 months ago. So this is one of the best pink lip balm recipe that you can ever get on the street of YouTube. It's a promise. Just follow the recipe. You don't need to add in xanthan gum or anything to thicken your pink lip balm. All you need to do is to get a thick base cream, carotene BSC, and trust me, this will never separate. It will never change color, because all the recipe here are all effective, very good, and safe for the lip. It will not peel your lip, it will not hurt your lip. But first thing you need to do is to always check the pH level of your product in order for your lip to be safe from bond or anything. So 1 week of consistent usage of this pink lip balm, you will definitely get a very good result. Next, I'm adding in my food coloring. I use the powder one dissolved in water, and then I just pour it in and mix until I get my desired result. And then I added in vitamin E oil. Okay, so this video is really short, that's why I'm kind of fast in this video. I'm sorry about that. So of recent, I noticed that many of the orders that have been coming from my YouTube are all pink lip balm. Guys, I don't only formulate pink lip balm alone. I have other skincare products that I formulate. You guys should stop. I mean, the orders has been massive. Pink lip balm everywhere. Guys, please patronize my other skincare products. Trust me, we have other skincare products available for wholesale and retail. And guys, guess what? We are having 30 hours 30% discount sales on all our skincare training, 20% on all our wholesale products, and 15% for all our retail products. You don't want to miss this. Send us a DM today. Bye.